Hi everyone, my name is Jillian and I am the Outdoor Educator here at Connections Early Years Family Center. Today we're going to do a video on a quick science experiment that you and your little ones can do at home. The fun part of this being that they get to really use some scientific skills, which for children is a lot of fun, a great way to incorporate math and literacy, but also bring their learning about what's going on outdoors in the environment indoors as well to spark their sense of curiosity and wonder. So for today's experiment, it is going to be all about looking at different types of snow and ice and testing how clean they actually are. So a couple of things that you'll need are coffee filters, clear containers, ideally not glass, because sometimes things happen when you're doing experiments with children. You don't want them to break. You're going to want something to label them with. That can be scrap paper, tape, whatever. And then a few different types of snow and ice. Where you get them is entirely up to you. All that matters is you're going to have a couple different types of snow, and we're going to test which one's cleaner. Ideally, this is a great time for you to ask your children what they think is going to happen and really get that conversation going. So we won't have you sit through the whole setup just to save everyone some time. When you do this at home, you and your little ones are going to take your coffee filters, secure them, whether that's with tape, an elastic, whatever you have, over your clear plastic container. Don't forget to label which sample of snow or ice that you're using so you can check later and make your conclusions. Here, for example, we have some snow that we grabbed from the back of a skating arena. So I would predict that this might be a little dirtier than the snow that just fell, maybe somewhere in your garden or something like that. Take a little bit of your snow, add it over your coffee filter. Again, this is a great chance to do some literacy activities by having your children help you labeling. And you're going to set up your experiment, and you're going to leave it for however long it takes for the snow and ice to melt. Again, you can make some predictions about which of these samples you think is going to have the most dirt in it, if you think there's going to be any difference at all. Whatever age stage and prior knowledge your child has about maybe how clean snow is will really affect the conversation and the vocabulary that you're able to use. But this is a great chance to practice that idea of using your child's prior knowledge to make some guesses about what's going to happen. So we'll check back in probably half an hour to an hour to see what our samples are looking like when they've melted. So once you've given your experiment a couple hours to melt, depending on how warm your house is, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have your coffee filters. You might still have a little bit of snow left inside. That's okay. You can just pull it out. You just want to get a little bit of an idea of what sort of impurities are going to be left in your filter. So if you can see in some of them, you're going to see, depending where they're from, you might see blue tinges from de-icers. In our arena one, we see some dirt because it was piled together at the edge of a parking lot. Our ice that we took from the freezer, just to have something to compare to, is quite clean, what we would hope to find. Our sidewalk does have that blue tinge that comes with commercial de-icers. And our garden snow from our good friend's garden has a little bit of soil, but otherwise appears quite clean. This is one fun experiment you can do almost all throughout the winter. You don't need much snow at all. If you live in an arena, you can just get snow pretty much any time during the winter. So this is a great way to find something to do at home, give you a purpose to going outside and gathering some different samples, which in and of itself, it's always fun to combine a purpose with your outdoor activity. Sometimes it gives your children that sense of excitement and adventure when they have a goal in mind. So that is our experiment for today. Hopefully you guys give it a try at home. And as always, please share your results or anything that you guys tried at home the same. We'd love to see how it goes for you. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching and thank you for connecting with us.